Hi everyone, I'm back. It's Robin, and today we are going to be doing a DIY reverse tie-dye with bleach and water. Anytime that we're working with bleach, be sure that you have adult supervision and that you always wear gloves. But let's get to it. So today I'm going to teach you how to do a reverse tie-dye using an old t-shirt, some bleach, water, and rubber bands. Anytime we're working with bleach, you do want to make sure that you are careful, and you always want to wear gloves because this stuff stains and it will burn your skin. So first, we are going to take our Clorox and water. You need equal parts. So I've already pre-mixed mine, and I've just filled my bottle up about halfway with Clorox, and then I filled it up with water. I'm going to put on my gloves. So for this design, I've chosen a basic spiral. So what you want to do is pinch right in the middle of your shirt and just turn it clockwise. Once you get that done, you can place your rubber bands around your shirt. You can put your rubber bands on in any pattern that you like, because we're just going to saturate the whole shirt and get those lines out. I try to go for a basic star pattern just so we can get even lines everywhere. But once you get your rubber bands on your shirt, you're just going to want to soak it with your bleach mixture. Be sure and turn it over and get the sides too. You want to make sure that this is well covered and saturated. Once you get your shirt all wet, we're going to let this sit for anywhere from 2 to 6 hours. We're going to put it in a plastic bag. That way it doesn't get anywhere. So we're just gonna let this sit, and we'll come back in about 2 hours. So now that we've waited our 2 hours, we're going to take our shirt out of the bag and see what it looks like. You can already see the color is starting to come through. So we're just gonna take our rubber bands off and open it up. And there it is. Okay, so if you liked our craft today, be sure and check back with us weekly because we have new programs coming up every week. Be sure and like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back next week with more.